Welcome to Pentarakis. When Pentarakis searched for CAD/CAM suit for their laser, water jet, tube, and press brakes, they turned to Pentarakis, says Pentarakis.
Based in Mandra, Attica, Greece, our company has been designing and manufacturing specialized machinery for the handling, processing, and packaging of table olives since 1995, building on a solid foundation of expertise that dates back to 1976. With modern facilities, state-of-the-art equipment, and decades of experience, we provide integrated solutions that cover the entire production line, from the initial cleaning and sorting stages to the final packaging of the product. Our company primarily serves the Greek market, a country with a strong tradition in production of olives and in high demand of processing machinery, while also maintaining export activities to other countries like Italy. Thanks to our consistency, manufacturing quality, and deep sector know-how, we have established ourselves as a trusted partner for food industry professionals, seeking efficiency, precision, and reliability in their processing lines. Aiming to maximize the efficiency of our production capabilities and ensure absolute precision in every component we design, we focus on achieving ergonomics, performance, and reliability in all our machines. To support this goal, we utilize the Pentarakis software suite, which allows us to seamlessly optimize the workflow from CAD design to CAM cutting and bending through its integrated modules, CAD-Link, AutoNest, and M-Bend. The Pentarakis platform unifies all production processes under a consistent philosophy. It is fully customizable and perfectly meets our needs for accuracy, speed, and consistency in manufacturing.